The Battle of Yarmouk, fought in August 636 AD, was one of the most decisive battles in early Islamic history. It pitted the Rashidun Caliphate, under Khalid ibn al-Walid, against the massive Byzantine forces, ending centuries of Byzantine dominance in the Levant and securing the foundation of Muslim control in Syria. Forces: Byzantine Empire, 80,000 to 150,000 troops, including heavy infantry, cataphracts, and local mercenaries. Rashidun Caliphate, 25,000 to 40,000 soldiers, a smaller force relying on mobility, discipline, and unity. Despite being heavily outnumbered, the Rashidun army leveraged superior tactics, terrain, and cohesion to turn the tide. Deployment and initial maneuvers. The battlefield stretched across the Yarmouk River Valley with hills, ridges, and the river itself providing natural defensive advantages. Byzantines took up positions across the valley, forming a traditional line with infantry at the center and cavalry on the flanks. Their goal was to crush the Rashidun army in a decisive engagement. Muslims. Khalid positioned his army to protect key flanks with terrain, using light cavalry and horse archers to harass and probe Byzantine positions, drawing the larger army into disadvantageous terrain. The clash. First day, skirmishes and probing. Small-scale skirmishes tested each side's defenses. Rashidun cavalry disrupted Byzantine formations and supply lines, forcing the Byzantines to stretch their lines across the uneven terrain. Second day, main engagement. Khalid launched coordinated attacks on the Byzantine flanks, while infantry held firm in the center. Byzantine cataphracts tried repeated charges, but narrow ridges and marshy ground limited their maneuverability, causing heavy casualties. Rashidun forces used feigned retreats to lure Byzantine units into traps. Turning point. On the final day, the Rashidun army executed a double envelopment, attacking both flanks and rear. Byzantine cohesion collapsed under pressure. Many mercenary units fled or surrendered, while the main army was surrounded and decimated. Casualties and losses. Byzantine, 40,000 to 70,000 killed, captured, or scattered. Heavy losses among elite units including cataphracts. Rashidun, around 4,000 to 5,000 casualties, significant, but far outweighed by victory. Aftermath. Decisive Muslim victory. Yarmouk ended Byzantine control over Syria. Cities like Damascus, Aleppo, and Jerusalem soon fell to Muslim forces. Strategic consequences. The battle secured the eastern frontier for the Rashidun Caliphate and demonstrated their ability to defeat larger, well-equipped armies. Khalid ibn al-Walid's legacy. Known as the Sword of Allah, Khalid's genius in maneuver warfare and battlefield tactics was immortalized. Significance. Shift of power. Yarmouk marked the collapse of Byzantine influence in the Levant, opening the Middle East to Islamic governance. Tactical brilliance. Demonstrated the effectiveness of mobility, coordination, terrain exploitation, and disciplined troops against numerically superior foes. Historical impact. The victory facilitated the rapid spread of Islam into Syria and Palestine, reshaping the cultural, religious, and political landscape of the region.